Hey guys, welcome back to Cyberpeace TV. Today we are going to discuss one question. Is Clubhouse safe for children? Clubhouse is a social networking platform for people over the age of 18. It is currently in beta version and is only accessible by invitation. This exclusivity is also part of what makes it appealing to tweens and teens seeking for a fresh hangout spot. Now, how it works is basically Clubhouse is an audio-only social network that resembles a podcast combined with a conference call. Guests are welcome to come and listen and also share their perspective. Speakers divide the audience into rooms, each with a distinct topic, and invite them to participate in a debate. With the overload of social networking platforms, it is very hard to stay in touch with their in and outs. But the question arises, is the app safe for children? Now let's talk about age restrictions. There are currently no parental controls or privacy settings available for Clubhouse. While the app claims to have an 18-year-old minimum age requirement, there is no foolproof age verification method in place. In terms of uncensored content on Clubhouse, discussions are not censored, which often results in inappropriate content or behavior being exhibited on the platform. Talking about private accounts, another privacy flaw on Clubhouse is that accounts cannot be set to private and rooms or conversations are open by default until the host makes them private, allowing anybody to enter. So Clubhouse has drawn celebrities and social media influencers to hold debates in its halls. This lures young users who want to hear real-life interactions with their favorite celebrities and just get a little closer to them. Again, content in these rooms might be unpredictable, posing a risk to children and people under the age of 18. Clubhouse has developed rapidly in a short period of time. Some users have expressed concerns about data privacy, but it's still unclear how the software gathers and uses user information. Within Clubhouse, the security of user information and communication includes flaws that could be abused. Clubhouse also temporarily records the audio in a room when it is live according to its privacy policy. So now a question arises. How do we actually stay safe? Discuss the potential dangers. Children who disregard age restrictions on applications are increasingly getting into trouble. Talk to them why age restrictions exist, the repercussions of ignoring them, and safer alternatives. With so many pictures and ideas bombarding our screens every day, it can be difficult for families to stick to their content guidelines. Talk to your kids about why it's important to have age-appropriate interactions, subjects, and friend groups online, and what happens if you try to rush the process. The good news for young users regarding Clubhouse is that despite its rapid growth, the designers are allegedly reacting to consumer safety needs by expanding in-app safety tools for reporting harassment and abuse on a regular basis. For more information, you can log on to cyberpeace.org or you can reach out to Cyberpeace on WhatsApp at 957-000-0066. That's 957 5 times 066. Thank you so much for watching this video and we'll see you soon in another cyber secure episode.